everyone, April Starks here with April Starks Beauty. Welcome to my channel. So for this video, I'm actually going to show you that you're not really getting off all of your makeup with just a makeup wipe. Hey everyone, okay, so for this video we're going to go ahead and get the hair pulled up. This is the makeup that I have had on since I put it on this morning, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair pulled up, and as you can see I have full makeup on, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these lashes off, so let's get those off. And we're going to go ahead and use a Farmasi Sensi-wipe. So these are makeup remover wipes. And if I can get it out of here. There we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start taking off the makeup with just a makeup wipe. Alright, and you want to work in a circular motion when you're removing your makeup. You don't want to really tug at the skin. So you can see I'm pulling off makeup, and I know a lot of people just use makeup wipes and then they don't do anything else, and you do not realize how much you're leaving behind, right? So now I'm going to take off my eyebrow pomade. Then we're going to get off the eyeshadow, any liner, and mascara. And I'm just gently wiping over the eye so you can see. I mean, it looks like I'm really getting off all this makeup, right? I'm going in, getting all of this off. Okay, this stuff is so good, y'all. It like does not want to come off. This is our Stay Matte liquid lipstick, and it is the bomb. So literally is not wanting to come off. And now look at this. This is my wipe. So if you're applying any type of contour, you're going to want to make sure you get down the neck and get all of this off. Okay, and some people would be like, okay, I'm done. Like, look at all of this makeup. And I know you really can't see it like I can see it. I wish you guys could. It's like really gross. It's got like all this makeup on it, but do I really have off all my makeup? So I'm going to show you that you really don't. So now what I'm going to use is the Farmasi Bi-phased makeup remover. And so this is even great with sensitive skin. It's great for the eye and lip area. It takes care of waterproof makeup. It has green tea, and it is great for all skin types. But with any bi-phased, you're going to want to shake it up, and you're going to mix it, okay? So now I'm going to get a little cotton pad, make sure that's mixed up, and I'm going to put this right on the cotton pad, just like so. Okay, so just like so. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to work in a circular motion. And voila. So when you're thinking that you've gotten off all your makeup, guess what? You haven't. So you're going to bed if you're just using, okay y'all, look at this. If you're just using a makeup wipe, and that's all you're doing, just to make sure you take off your makeup, and I've only done the top part of my face. Now seriously, I'm going to shake this up again. We're going to grab another makeup wipe, or cotton pad, sorry. It's another cotton pad, and we're going to continue to take off this makeup. And I'm working in a circular motion. And I'm working on this side of the face. And again, more makeup. Okay, let me get another cotton pad. So let's go to cotton pad number 3. Put some more on here. And what's so great about this is it does not leave my skin feeling greasy, oily, nothing. Look, y'all. So I got some more stuff off of my eye just from that. So now let's work a little bit more on this eye. So a makeup wipe is great as far as getting off all the excess. Look, y'all. But it does not get it all. You know, and to truly get your face cleansed, free of makeup, then you want to make sure that you are removing every bit of the makeup. Okay, so we're going to keep at it. Get another cotton pad here. So we're on cotton pad number 4. We're going right here where I contour. We're going down the neck. Yeah. So just when you think, hey, it looks like I've gotten it all off, you haven't. All right, adding a little bit more. Not a big fan of these cotton pads though. All right, a little bit more, and we're going to do one more run over the face just to make sure that I've gotten anything that's laying behind. Look, I'm still pulling off. I'm still pulling it off. So, last little bit. And if you're somebody that does your ears when you're doing your foundation, make sure you grab those ears. All right, guys, so it took me 1, 2, here's another folded up one, 3, 4, 5 of these cotton pads using the Farmasi Bi-phased makeup remover. And I only used 1 of this makeup wipe to get off the bulk of the makeup. So now my face is ready for my skincare routine, which is the Age Reversed Skincare Gel Cleanser. And then after I use this, then I use the serum. I put the serum on. Then I use my eye cream. And then I'll use my rich moisturizer. So, but before I can do that, I need to make sure that I've gotten all the makeup off my face. So now that I am ready to go and finish my nightly routine. But I just wanted to show you guys that, yeah, this is not all of it. You need to make sure that you're doing both steps to get rid of all the makeup off of your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe bell and that little, or subscribe button and the little bell. So that way you get notified the next time I post a live video. And I will also post the link in this description for the Farmasi Sensi-wipes and the Bi-phased remover, as well as the whole Age Reversed line. This stuff is amazing, guys. It is great for anybody that's over the age of 25, because that is when you start losing elasticity and collagen in the skin. So you really want to start taking care of your skin as far as the aging process, and this stuff is amazing. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. I will totally get back to you. All right, you guys have a good one. Thanks.